A grade matrix is a simplified tabular approach to achieving stand or tree-level grading. It relies on the use of historical log bucking or perhaps sales data to determine how grade recovery changes between size classes. To create a new grade matrix, select the Create menu, Analysis Sets, and Grade Matrix Sets. Click the Add button. Enter a name and description for your set. Enter any additional notes on the application of the set and what the underlying data source was. Identify the level, which may be either stand or tree. Stand means that quadratic mean dBH will be the predictor variable, and plot total stem volume per hectare is subdivided into the component recovery grades. Tree means that tree dBH will be the predictor variable, and tree total stem volume is subdivided into component recovery grades. We're going to choose stand. Identify who created it, and click the Save button. At this stage, further options will appear for first entering the diameter classes, then adding the required product dimension, and finally entering the ratios that apply. Click the Add Diameter Class button. Because stand level was selected, each class is by quadratic mean dBH. Always start the first class minimum at 0 and consider how many diameter classes will adequately reflect recovery changes. I'm going to add 5 diameter classes, which are quite broad. Class widths do not need to be equal, but they will apply to each product. As you add each class, FIRS quite handily grabs the maximum of the previous class and copies it as the minimum of the next class. End your final class with a very comfortably high value. Once finished, click the Save Classes button. The second stage is to add the products which are relevant. Ideally, these should have already been created using the Create Products menu. However, you can open, if you wish, a second session and go and create them on the fly. If you do that, just remember to click the Refresh button when you come back to this stage. I'm going to add my products. I want 2 eucalypt plantation products, saw log and a pulp log. The saw log is ranked first, the pulp log's ranked second, which means waste is ranked third. They're the products I require, so I'm going to click the Save Products button. The matrix is now ready to receive the ratios. Click the Enter Ratios button over on the left. For each diameter class, enter the product-specific recovery ratio between 0 and 1, ensuring that they sum to a total of 1 for each class. You may also check this when finished using the Check Ratio button. I'm going to check all my ratios. They all add up to 1. Click the Save button. Click Close. Save again and return to the list. You've just created a stand level grade matrix set with 5 diameter classes and 2 products, as well as the compulsory waste.